Apple expands Tap to Pay on iPhone in 5 more European countries. Apple expanded Tap to Pay on iPhone in Austria, Czech Republic, Ireland, Romania, and Sweden on Tuesday, giving a way where businesses in these countries can easily utilize an iPhone as a contactless payment terminal. Earlier in February 2022, Tap to Pay launched in the US, allowing iPhones to accept payments via Apple Pay, contactless credit and debit cards, and other digital wallets. The Cupertino-based tech giant said that all transactions are encrypted, and Apple has no information about what was purchased or who made the purchase. Notably, no additional hardware or credit card machine is required to use Tap to Pay on iPhone. Moreover, the feature sports near-field communication technology to securely authenticate contactless payments, along with supporting PIN entry, which includes accessibility options. The first payment platforms to offer Tap to Pay on iPhone across all 5 countries are Adyen, SumUp, and Viva.com. Global payments with Erste Bank is available in Austria, Czech Republic, and Romania. Stripe is available in Austria, Czech Republic, Ireland, and Sweden. Nexi is available in Austria and Sweden. Revolut is available in Austria and Ireland. MyPOS and PayOne are available in Austria. And Zettle by PayPal is available in Sweden. Hobex in Austria, BOI Payment Acceptance Global Payments in Square in Ireland, and Surfboard Payments in Sweden will enable Tap to Pay on iPhone for their customers in the coming weeks. Tap to Pay on iPhone works with contactless credit and debit cards from leading payment networks, including American Express, Discover, MasterCard, and Visa. After the expansion of Tap to Pay, it's available in 17 countries, such as the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Japan, Austria, Czech Republic, Ireland, Romania, the Netherlands, Sweden, Brazil, Italy, France, Taiwan, Ukraine, and Germany.